time humans. What was the low today? 19,263. Where did we go? We're past the 68.3 on the weekly. 1SD. This is what I was talking about, eh, man? Let's close this weekly candle down here at the 1SD. Got no problem with that. That's gonna create some more div big time. Let's see. Yep. Weekly. Turns oscillator's turning down. Man, we get that weekly close and it drops that return oscillator right to the zero mean. And we come out of there with more bull div at the bounce off that. Returns oscillator stays up here at least above the 95 here. Creates another stab. Could come out of this hole. But you know how these markets go. Fuck, who knows where this thing's going. That's why I don't even know why I'm talking about the macro. Except it's fun. Fun to talk about the macro.
Yeah, it's also sometimes easier to visualize the bigger picture.
Yeah. Yep. Big time.
Because you can stare at it longer before the picture changes.
For sure. So let's see. Yeah. Obviously. Let me pull this down a little bit. We rejected off that tight weekly range. Baby's spilling down. Yeah, I bet that 1SD is definitely a target on the weekly. For sure. Today, it's literally right below the 1SD on the daily. 2SD on the weekly is about $300 below the 1SD on the daily. It's probably right down here at the, what is this, daily S3? Yep, 18.6. Oh, by all means, dog, get out of here. Hold on, guys. Go. Anybody else want out? You guys want out? Go. You want out? No? Okay. One went out. Big dog. He might have been carrying a heavy burden or something. Go drop it out there. Free fertilization of my newly laid grass seed, maybe. We'll get it, doggy. All right. Where the hell was I? So yeah. Down here by yeah, daily S3 down here. It's like the weekly 2SD. Or 1SD, sorry. So 1SD on the daily, 1SD on the weekly, about $300 apart, and drop down a little bit onto the daily S3, and boom. There you have the weekly first standard deviation to the downside. Would be nice to hang around, like I just said. Hang around down here. Close this weekly candle on another lower low. It's going to do nothing but continue to build bold div on this macro time frame between returns and price action, which is the only damn thing that matters. Let's see. Yep. Variance is low too. Variance is low. So when this figures out what it wants to do, I would have a feeling we're not going to see an outlier on the weekly to the downside. I mean, obviously this is coming down. This is negatively correlated or positively correlated variance coming back down. That's right. It's just walking down. Has been. We had the last week was good, but yeah, continuation. What? Yeah. Hidden bear, right? Hidden bear. But this hidden bear could easily create stronger bull. Right? It's going to depend how low that low is. We don't want to see this returns oscillator drop back below the zero mean. That's what we don't want. I mean, obviously, it could create more bull div down here, no problem. But you use that as a bounce point, and that div playing out, it's good stuff. The predictor actually changed a bullish after today's price action, flip back down. The Shannon entropy percentile too is just building to the downside. Expanded volatility, significantly negatively correlated. Yeah. Definitely wants to come down. Creating more div. Does not matter. That'll work. That'll work. We're already down here. Need to just put in some work down here, right? Accumulation time. Accumulation time. Well, everybody's freaking out. Bear market. Everybody's flipping. Right? And there's just some wild shit going on in Discords. People are just speculating about everything. What kind of fucking breakfast they're gonna have tomorrow. It's like people don't know how to think right in a bear market. It's like, dude, them bags are heavy, huh? Relax. You're a long-term holder, right? Those bags shouldn't be heavy. If anything, you should be stuffing them more. Adding a bag. That's my opinion. Just like every major bull run we have, you get to the top, people are still complaining. They just can't make money. They can't make money in a bull run, can't make money in a bear market. Because they're always buying tops and selling bottoms. Fear and FOMO. That's what they react on. Crazy. People selling their bags down here are going to regret it. Right? If you're still sitting on your bags from the top, it's lockdown time, in my opinion. You sell down here, you're losing your ass. Everybody knows how crypto is. This thing will turn around. It always does. So let's see. I mean, global financial situations aren't helping. That's for sure. I'm not looking into any news or anything, but yeah, liquidity is a problem right now. People want to sit on that big dollar, right? Boy, that big dollar's worth a fucking fortune. Oh, Jesus. Dixie's still going up. 108 now? Interesting. Let the scam continue. Funny. And that's what you see. You see this dollar index, you see it start losing value. You'll see Bitcoin going back up to the top side. Dollar crushing everything right now. Fuck gold and silver getting hammerjacked. These poor people, you talk about heavy bags. I don't know if you ever bought a case of silver before. Weighs 36 pounds in a tiny little box. It's the most awkward thing you'll ever carry. Guarantee it. It's like carrying one of MJ's fucking bags of concrete, but worse. That's truth. Because his concrete bags are hard to manage. Good stuff, though. Not like a case of silver. Very, very hard to carry that damn thing. Even 40 pounds ain't that heavy. But it is when it's just this tiny little fucking package you can't get your hands on. It's like, holy shit. How is this so heavy? Dump it. Oh no. We got the gift wars going on.
I love this one, man. This is such a good one.
I know. Oh shit. How was that earlier in the other Discord? That was lovely, wasn't it? That guy was a fucking work of art.
Oh, man.
Dude, he's just
I
like,
was just like, it's time to reminisce.
yeah, dude, he's just baiting people and then saying
Go
that
back to the old
being
days.
racist and transphobic. And it was like, dude, I don't know what this guy's talking about. I'm not trained. I'm not
Yeah,
phobic.
I think it was a ploy though.
Yeah. Guy
Yeah,
was
so I thought I would because you tell me like, oh man, some of these guys I just feel like they're trolling me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna troll a troll, and I'm gonna make him look like an idiot because if someone has sent him to do this, that is in the other Discord, they're gonna learn. Like they must, It's like, yeah, go troll them. It's like, no, bro. Let me show you how we troll a troll. We've been doing this for 7 years. You know.
right. Hold on.
But yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I think it was fun. And yeah, I thought maybe you should have a break. Sounds like it's good.
Oh yeah. That was funny. Slatty comes in and mutes us. I was just laughing my ass off. I was like, thank God. I was tired of interacting with this dumb dickhead.
Yeah.
All right, it's all good. Guys. Well, I just got some fucking juicy alpha dumped on me though. Wish I could talk about it. They're probably gonna be talking about it tomorrow on Whale Wednesday. We'll see. Good juicy shit. Why, you know how people are. It's a bear market. NFTs. People are just like win, win, win. What's going on? Oh my God, we're all fucked. My bag's so heavy, breaking my back. Go relax. Go enjoy life. These guys are fucking working, man. Hustling. If people knew what they were doing behind the scenes for the literally for like the licensing rights for all these people, right? They're all just sitting in there bitching and doing shit, and they have no idea what these people are doing for them behind the background. It's unbelievable. That's how that market is, though, right? A lot of really immature investors in crypto in general, but NFT, it's just like way magnified, seems like, but it's all good. What's telling? Let's see, IMARS. Let's check it out. Are we talking macro time frames? Let me turn off the reverse mean because we know where that mean is on the macro. We can play the projection boss. 6 hour, 12 hour. All right. We're banging on the 95.4 right now. I'm pretty much tell before I even, let's see, 6 bars. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, that's how. My bad. Oh, 5. No. 6. Almost. Let's see. Good stuff. Yep. And that's when you use this for a while, you can literally look at price action and you just know if you use these projections so much, you know exactly where price action's at. So we're right at the 95.4. So on the 12 hour, on this move down from, we're up there around 22. There's a 95.4% chance we stay inside here. So that's kind of going against what, having a close down at 18.5. Do I think that's going to happen? Probably not. That's down here is it going to happen by the end of today? That's the 95.4 Laplace pretty much. Second standard deviation down here. It's a couple $100, a few $100 above where that 1 SD on the weekly is, but you can see on the 12 hour, wick to the dollar. That's that blue dot right there. 19,249. The low today, 19,263. Sucked up from there. Not only did it bounce from the first standard deviation on the 12 hour, back up inside the projection, 95.4. So there's a couple different probabilities going on. Current candle and the projection. Oh, nice. Oh, hell yeah. Nice. Is that the new place you're moving into? Beautiful. I like that little rug sample. I'd like to crop that out and just have that little rug sample. Yeah, right. Yeah, the blue one's pretty cool. Because I'm earthy tones, so I do like the blue. That's a crazy picture. What the hell am I looking at? Is that somebody sitting in a chair too, or is that a picture? Am I confused as hell right now? What's happening? Oh, is there a hidden Yeti? There's a hidden Yeti. Oh, just
I
kidding.
see Yasha's foot.
Yeah. I was gonna say, MJ's got all the Yetis on lockdown. He loves that rug. Will the carpet match?
Oh,
the
dude,
drapes?
I'll tell you what. I'm watching these whales tales. If he ever interviews me, buddy, all I gotta say is paybacks are you know what.
Okay, so, and you wanted a 6 hour. Took the 6 hour off my chart, but it didn't go far. I can freaking add it right back on, baby. 6. There we go. Pretty much same thing. Start from here. It's going to be right about the 95.4 probably. Okay, buddy. My doggy. He's still kicking. Breathing. Definitely an issue though. Damn it. Let's see. Now we're below it. Okay. So on the 6 hour, below that 95.4. So yeah, we'll see what happens at the close today. See how this baby's going to react. Let me see here. I want to see. Pop this on the daily. Pop this on the daily. First. See what's happening here. Dum, dum. Yeah. This is typical, right? I mean, on the daily, right? We run up, get a wick, literally right to the top of the 95.4. What else was there on that current candle on that weekly? First standard deviation, normal distribution. So you had a projection 95.4% level and current candle 68.3. That baby, whoop, just pulled back hard, right? Rejected. And now what has it done? It's pretty much almost worked its way all the way back to the mean of this projection.
Yeah, what a perfect example of the statistics right there, man. Perfect.
Yeah. Yeah.
The chances of that coming back, what is it, 97%? Or 90, wait, were you on normal or are you on Laplace?
This is Laplace.
Okay, yeah.
That big, yeah. 6. Let me check this out real quick. Can't remember what the hell that did there on the daily. Boom. There we go. Yeah. And you know, from the dump from up there at above 30, right? 31, 32, right in that area. Came down, bounced from the 99.7. Then you see how these projections, right? I mean, I can throw one here. I can tell exactly where it went. I don't even have to throw a projection on. But let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, boom, boom. Can definitely start there. Second one. You see what this baby's looking like right now. Currently. Most recent. Projection. Yeah, hasn't got to the 95.4 yet, if that's where it's going. And where does that just happen to be today? That's what's so funny. All right, so on the weekly, you got the first standard deviation at 18.5. On the daily, most recent projection that we can throw here, the 95.4, 18.520. Get $1,000 dump for the end of the day. Funny.
It's amazing. Well, the thing that's funny too is, you know, it doesn't have to be today, right? It could just work its way down there. You know.
Yeah.
You might
tomorrow.
You might get a day to you get a pump or whatever, and it could just turn around and work its way down. It doesn't have to listen to our speculations. You know, it can do whatever it wants. But the point is, guess what's going to happen? It gets down there. The statistics are in your favor.
Here's Sunday, right? Sunday's at 17,150-ish. So yeah, I mean, this thing can just come down day by day. Just run this, right?
Or it could just pop through and really dump out. Who knows? We don't know. It doesn't matter. We play the statistics.
We do that. It's party time. It is party time.
Or the other thing that's famous is it does a Bilbo right back up to the mean, pump pump pump. You know, just freaking crazy candles and gets everybody out of their shorts. You never know. All it takes is one move, and then the next thing you know, you're going to see it in the chart, and then it'll be a great big story, and on the internet. Oh, Bitcoin's doing this. ETFs looking to be approved. You know, yeah. and all the time you saw it right here in the stats.
Yep, big time. And this is some good shit going on right here.
Yep.
Holy crap! I mean, week to week. Holy crap. Downside scalps, upside scalps, downside scalps. Start this week. Do we go down? That's what, I mean, I talked about it last week. I was like, it'll be great if we close a weekly candle and get another lower low. Create some more bull div on the weekly. Oh, nice. Yeah. Got me sidetracked now. Ooh, looks cushy.
Yeah, I hate to say it, but I kind of wish, I hope it does go down.
I mean, at this point, we're already down here. Let's just get it over
just
with.
Get it over with, man.
Go. I got to put aloe vera out on the corner.
That's right.
Cleaning blowholes, $25 a pop.
Some cheap, I'm so married. Say right.
That's right.
Well, I gotta have somebody to balance the ultimate optimist, Bilbo. You know.
Here's MJ.
Hey, you can't say I wasn't right. Although it's gone down farther than I thought. My level was 25, but we've surpassed that for sure.
And it's not like I had never said it can't happen.
Oh yeah, no, anything can happen. But you definitely have you're always a positive.
Oh hell yeah!
You're always trying to get things to go up.
Go. The algos must listen to me. Let's get this shit going. I don't like this significant. I think I'm just gonna lock them babies both down on. Let's see here, Jimmy. What am I doing? Outside line. There it is. Significant correlation. No. Let's. What should we do? I just own both on predictor. Yeah. Let's see how much it changes just throwing it on the trend instead.
X-Mars, my bearish thought, this is, I think, right before you came on board. I was saying the price is gonna get down to 25, but it surpassed it.
But it's
Say Ronnie's always bear.
MJ's the bear. The bear.
I had to replace our former partner.
Ooh. Who's the former partner?
Never. Our other Discord, our old buddy.
Oh. Mr. Chicken Chaser himself.
That's right.
The bear. 25 cent chicken legs and surfing. Using the Jeep, pushing the Jeep around the yard to work out.
That's right. That's right, Sayron. We need some cheap Solana, baby. Let's go. I want to buy some more whales, some more bubble goose.
LFG, cheap salami.
Now that I'm a captain, I feel like mortgaging the house. Getting to the Podfather.
You, bro. Podfather. Yes. Must become a Podfather.
Give me
yes.
a black rag.
Cheap Solana. Yeah. Yeah. We got our cheap soy. We got our cheap corn. Let's go. I mean, what the hell? I'm going to be looking for change in the couch cushions. Salami goes down too far.
Change in the couch cushions.
Although I'm just going to buy it. It just turns into JPEGs anyway. It's not like I'm going to hold on to the salami. I'm going to buy the salami and buy JPEGs.
I keep saying, you know what? I'm going to keep a stack on the side and just start trading it.
Yeah, good luck. Salami's made to spend.
You keep staring at these JPEGs. Next thing you know, like, oh yeah, I got to get that one.
Mm-hmm.
It's a drug for sure.
What saith you, Salami? Let me back this up one. Exciting little booger here. Got ahead of its own self. Back it up, Salami. Back it up.
Oh my word. Could you imagine if it gets to $10? Holy crap, X-Mars, man. That would be epic.
Well, the 99.7's right about down there. It's under 10. I mean, the thing wants to run.
Back up the truck, baby.
Back back up the truck. I mean, you can see, I mean, it's trying to get up above. Trying. Closed last week, barely back inside the 95.4. Now it's pushing right back down. Very, very interesting. Let me take a peek here. What is... Oh, yeah. Let's ride some piggies. Who's getting hammered today? Woo! Bake. Oh, those are the good old days. Made a pretty penny on bake. Could have made a lot more, but yeah, it's all good. I was going to attempt to sit on that shit corn. Let me see. What is Medica? 54 cents. Some good looking stuff. Yeah, there's a few things I wouldn't mind getting back into, but at this point it's just like anything extra is going right into Wagme Beach. Oof. Yash is sidetracking me with this computer porn he's posting. People are like, computer porn? What the hell? That apple is eating that bud. That's great. That is great. But here's what we want to do. Let's pop this down to a daily on the Slammy. Slammy on the daily, been up above. It's a reverse mean. Where would be a good spot? Probably reason. No, we'll start back here. Let's back her up too. Let's get her done. 17. And see right here, I mean, we got the bounce off the 95.4. Pretty much ran all the way back up. Almost got back up to the 68.3. Now it's spilling out again. Let's start this on 4 now. See what this baby looks like. All snugged up. It's the good stuff. Yes, sir. Okay, 95.4 right at the second standard deviation and 95.4 Laplace. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, indeed. We're talking about 29 point, yep, 29.53 and 29.32. That's where the 95.4 Laplace second standard deviation is, and it's right at the 95.4. Today, right? This thing wants to dump out. That's solid. The projections at 95.4, the daily current candle 95.4 are right together, and top side of the first standard deviation band. Everything's right there. Boom, boom, boom. If this price were to dump out to that today, boom, man, the thing would probably bounce hard there. Let's see. Where are we? Sell. Good then, a looky. Well, the market. All right, here we are. What I didn't do was pop on. I wanted to see where Spy got down to today. No gap, no, didn't gap down. It's freaking, yeah. I mean, this is what I talked about yesterday. Spy gets comfortable down here below this monthly and weekly level. There is a ton of volatility right here. I mean, a ton. So this is not a good look. Rejecting right there. Especially did not come back and close up inside the monthly and the weekly. right? So that is not good. Here's the bottom of the monthly. Here's the bottom of the weekly. Drop down below it today. Couldn't get back up in the 68.3 Laplace and that monthly and weekly level. So this is going to be interesting tomorrow. Real interesting. If this ship does not correct here, this is going to be a really bad Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, just like I'm saying right now, it does not look good right now. You don't want to see this rejection right here. Definitely don't want to. That's exactly what it did. Got the new daily range. Right, took off, boom, rejected. You can see both these, boom, rejected right off the center of the monthly. Got back down in the daily, right above the weekly, and then just spilled out. Let's see what this looks like here. Oh, that's different. There's no hidden bull on SPY. SPY 2, man. SPY gets a lower low. That's, man, that'll get people crying. Set up some more bull div. DLP's still holding. Setting up bull div. I mean, that's all I'm seeing. Bitcoin and SPY on the weekly. They're just, yeah, could we go down? For sure. But it's just over a long-term time series. It's just building bull div. At some point, this thing's going to pop. For sure. Let me see what, where's the NASDAQ? Probably same thing. Yeah. Across the board. Except it's a little different here, right? The center of the weekly on NASDAQ was above the center of the monthly. It was opposite on SPY. So we get the run up early when Bitcoin ran up first and rejected right off pretty much the top of the monthly range. Boom, boom, came up, rejected off the middle of the weekly, spilled out, just closed below the weekly range. The bottom of the monthly's down here though on NASDAQ. Got a, yeah, for sure. Boom, where you at, triple Qs? Across the board. Across the board. All three of the indexes are not looking good. You wanted to see this plow through this volatility zone here, and it did not do it. We go to daily. Yeah, but that's what I'm seeing. There's no div, man. No div, but the volatility is starting to expand on the daily, significantly negatively correlated as entropy's flashing, right? Entropy is low. Totally, very random. Very random. If this Shannon entropy continues with this expansion, the predictor's telling you to the downside, you'll see that go back in the trend and keep that downside projection, no doubt. Yeah, this will be important. I have a strange feeling it's going to make another run at these levels again. I'm going to want to have to watch in the next couple days what happens. If these indexes can get above this weekly and monthly range, and I'm thinking all three of them, it'd be a good thing because they are all pretty relative to each other in terms of where they at. Right now, all three of them close below all this volatility, and it is strong. Strong big time, especially on the macro time frame. I mean, it's only Bitcoin though, man. There's no hidden bear. There's no hidden bear or bear div on the other wait, this is the daily's all right. Let me look at triple Qs. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. If anything, setting up hidden bull. Where BTC, come here, you little booger. Yeah, BTC is, if this thing turned around right now, it's setting up hidden bear. Setting up hidden bear. These fishers don't look good. Right. And I was like watching this DLP on the daily. It worked its way all the way back, right? Now, boom, we're starting to pop a couple daily candles below again. We want to see this thing pop out of here. We could move down more. That is for sure. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, these institutions are taking risk off. And any of these institutions that are in crypto, bye-bye. They're going to sell that crypto first. Let's see here. No, not at all, huh? There is not. Yeah. Yeah, you'll know. At some point, we know how crypto is too. You're going to hit that magic number, this thing's going to turn around. We're going to get a big, you'll know when too, right? Me and MJ were talking about it. We haven't seen it yet. We all know how Bitcoin does it. It's going to hit a level, and that's where there's going to be some massive buys coming in. We're not there. It's lower. It's lower. Yeah, yes, it does. It's exactly. It's when all these people are freaking, right? Everybody's selling the bottom in fear. That's when it turns around. That's why thank God I'm not in that echo chamber. That's why I love what we do. When I am actively trading, it's low time frame volatility trading. I'm in very few long-term holds. And the main one I'm holding long-term is because that is literally the reward in being part of that startup. So I'm like, okay, no problem. No problem. All right. That is it. Let's see, 552. Starting an outlier on the daily on Bitcoin. I want to see how this closes. For sure. Be very interesting today. See if this bad boy. Let me go back up here. Can we get back up in this 68.3? And this is what all the indexes did, right? They couldn't get back in their 68.3. They just closed down here. The new daily range is going to be up in this area. If Bitcoin doesn't get his shit in gear, we're going to close below it. Second day in a row. Third day in a row, right? Started this literally the beginning of the week. Opened up below the tight weekly and the daily. Again, and we're probably going to do it again. You see that those daily volatility ranges just stair-stepping down. It's like, with all that macro volatility on top of it, it's never good. That's what you want to see below. You want to see all that macro volatility below price action. It's just not happening. I have not seen anything on this yet. That's why these macro volatility ranges mean a lot to me. That's why I love when people are like, oh, Bilbo said it was doing this. Bilbo said it was doing that. I was like, no, well, Bilbo said you should not be listening to some rando on the internet, dumbass. This isn't even how I trade. I trade low time frame volatility. You want to get schooled? Come to the Discord. Everybody wants to talk about the macro, though. And I guarantee I got a better read on this damn market than most just using this indicator. Understanding where these volatility ranges are. As an advocate for Bitcoin, we never will want to see this thing just dump out like this. I am definitely a full-time bull. I'm not afraid to say it. But when I'm actively trading, I'll turn the bear on. No problem. I do not have a problem with a bias to the downside trading intraday. It's fun. It's fun, right? Everybody knows that plays the markets. There's nothing funner when you're literally hedging the losses on your big stacks, right? You're freaking you're pulling in profit as your big stacks losing, right? Makes me happy. And I literally have not been trading at all during this down move. What? All the weirdos are coming out today. Holy shit. Oh boy. How'd this clown get my phone number? So any questions before we get off here? I want to see this close today. We'll have a better stream tomorrow. I want to see Bitcoin and those indexes make a run at these weekly and monthly ranges. Bitcoin, right? I mean, Jesus, we're back down what, $1,300 below the weekly and being tight. What does a tight weekly range tell you? Trend. We're going to trend. And then it's our job to get that bias intraday. Okay, I know this week price action is going to trend. Where am I putting risk on? So far, where are you putting the major risk on? The down moves. There's no doubt. But look at the good counter trades. A lot of good counter trade scalps today, I'm sure, and yesterday. But if I'm counter trading my bias, I take risk off. When I'm scalping with my bias, risk is on. That's what a lot of people don't do. But yeah, we'll pick it back up tomorrow, or you guys can stay on. I got a call I got to get on at 6. But yeah, thanks. Yep, thanks you guys for showing up. We'll see you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yes, have a good one.
Never be sorry, P-Funk. You're the man, bro.